So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then here in the Google search, you want to type for YouTube TV NFL Sunday. And then you want to click on the link that says tv.youtube.com. Just click on it. And here you can just choose the package that says YouTube TV plus NFL Sunday ticket. Just click on Get Both Now. And then you want to choose on your Google account. And then here you can just enter your zip code. For example, if you live in Los Angeles, just type in zip code for Los Angeles. And then click on this blue right arrow right here. And then you can forward to pay for your package. Or if you already have the YouTube TV subscription, you can just go to your homepage right here on the computer and then signing into your account. Then you want to click your profile picture at the top right of your screen and then go to settings right here. And then here on the membership windows, just to remind you that you need to buy at least the base plan membership of YouTube TV first right here. And then to do it, I leave the link on the comment section on how to sign up and get the base plan membership of YouTube TV. And then after you have it, you can just scroll down until you see this option called NFL Sunday Ticket, where you can choose to add NFL Red Zone for your comfort. And here you will be given two options. The first one is to pay monthly to YouTube TV. And the second one is to pay upfront to YouTube TV for a specific season that currently ongoing right here. So after you decide, just click on add button right here. After that, you can just choose your plan and then click on next to do your payment of the pass. Keep in mind that you need to see which season of the NFL ticket that you buy. So for example, right here is 2025 regular season. So if the season of 2025 is officially started, the live and the upcoming NFL games that will be available in my area will show up to the home tab or live tab right here. And you can also find the NFL channel page by go to the home page and go to the right side of your screen and then click on this search button and then search for NFL. And that's how to get and watch NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.